Hi, my name is Austin Dorman, and I'm a certified funnel builder and ClickFunnels ambassador. And today we're going to talk about how to add the discount app inside of your ClickFunnels workspace. And before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, too, if you don't already have a ClickFunnels account, make sure you go to the description section to start your free trial today. And also, too, there's some really awesome and great resources in the description section as well, so make sure you check those out. So we're going to go over to the left-hand side by apps, and we're going to click Add Apps. And then we're going to scroll down to the bottom to Discounts, and then we're going to click Add App. And here, this is where we're going to create a new discount. So we're going to call it Test Discount, and then the code will be Discount 10. Then right here under discount type, we'll set it as either percentage or fixed amount. So we're going to do 10%. And then we're going to go up to the top right-hand corner and click Create Discount. Then we created a new discount. And then also over here on the left-hand side, if we scroll down, the Discounts app is added under the app section. So if you have any questions about adding the discount app in your ClickFunnels workspace, feel free to comment below or book a call with me, and I'd love to help you out.